Hey everybody, welcome to Mr. Holiday's podcast show. Today is the 20th of March, and I'm just running over uh possible party ideas for World Party Day, which is April 3rd. Again, World Party Day is April 3rd. Um, World Party Day, celebrated on April 3rd, is a global occasion dedicated to unity, joy, and positive social change. Hosting a toga party in honor of this event is a creative and meaningful way to celebrate togetherness while embracing the ancient ideals of fraternity and peace. Rooted in Greco-Roman tradition, the toga symbolizes wisdom, democracy, and civic engagement, making it a perfect theme for events that seeks to bring people together in harmony. A well-planned toga party for World Party Day on April 3rd can create an atmosphere of fun, camaraderie, and shared goodwill, fostering discussions on peace and unity. The key to hosting a successful toga party is thoughtful preparation. Begin by selecting a spacious and welcoming venue, whether it's a backyard, a park, or a community hall. Decorations should embrace the classical theme with columns, laurel wreaths, and soft lighting, reminiscent of ancient Rome. When sending an invitation, highlight the spirit of World Party Day and encourage guests to wear togas in white or pastel shades to symbolize peace and harmony. You can also incorporate digital invitations that include historical insights about togas and the importance of peace movements to educate and inspire attendees. To enhance the ambience, consider playing classical music upon arrival, helping guests transition into a theme. An introduction area with simple activities like making laurel wreaths or writing personal intentions for peace can help get a meaningful tone for the gathering. Additionally, providing name tags with fun historical names or titles such as Senator of Serenity or Ambassador of Brotherhood can be an enjoyable icebreaker. A toga party should be more than just a costume event. It should encourage interactions that promote unity. Organizing cooperative games such as friendly Olympic, relay race, or trivia about different cultures and peace movements can enhance engagement. Setting up a storytelling circle where guests share inspiring stories of kindness or global unity can deepen the party's meaning. Incorporating elements of music and dance, such as playing classical or world music, and encouraging group dancing, further promotes the spirit of brotherhood. Consider arranging a group mural or banner where guests can write positive messages or paint symbols of unity. Another activity could be a Toga of Peace contest where participants not only showcase their creative toga styles, but also share a brief message about what peace means to them. These small yet impactful moments can reinforce the deeper message behind World Party Day. Serving a menu inspired by ancient Mediterranean cuisine adds authenticity and a communal aspect to the events. Dishes such as olives, bread with honey, figs, grapes, and cheese platters can allow guests to enjoy simple yet flavorful options. To encourage inclusivity, offer a variety of non-alcoholic drinks like fruit-infused water or herbal teas alongside traditional wine options. A shared feast where people gather and eat together naturally fosters conversation and strengthens bonds. To make the dining experience more immersive, consider using wooden or ceramic plates and cups instead of modern utensils. If space allows, a low seating arrangement with cushions can replicate the reclining banquet style of ancient Rome. As a fun twist, incorporate a banquet of goodwill where guests can take turns offering food to others before serving it themselves, symbolizing generosity and community. To align the toga party with the deeper message of World Party Day, incorporate a moment for reflection, a short speech or toast about global unity, The importance of dialogue and historical figures who promoted peace can be considered. Consider a group activity, such as writing messages of hope on paper scrolls and exchanging them with one another, or dedicating a moment of silence to appreciating global harmony. Additionally, integrating a small charitable element like collecting donations for a peace focused organization can add purpose to the celebration. Encouraging guests to make Peace Pact a simple pledge to spread kindness and unity in their daily lives, can create lasting impact beyond the party. You might also set up a gratitude circle where each person shares something they appreciate about another guest, reinforcing bonds and mutual respect. By the end of the night, presenting each attendee with a small keepsake, like a handwritten quote about peace or a laurel wreath, can leave a meaningful impression. A toga party or World Party Day is more than just an entertaining gathering. It's an opportunity to create a space where people connect through shared values of peace and brotherhood. By combining historical symbolism with modern ideals of unity, hosts can create a memorable and meaningful experience that resonates beyond the event itself. Whether through music, conversation, or collective activities, a well executed toga party can spread the message that celebration and global harmony go hand in hand. Ultimately, hosting such an event allows participants not only to revel in festivities, but also reflect on their role in fostering peace in everyday life. By building connections and encouraging acts of kindness and embracing a global perspective, a simple toga party can serve as a powerful reminder that unity is always worth celebrating. Thank you for listening to this episode. Take care.